What's up, Joseph? Welcome. Starting in a bit. All right, hello everyone. Welcome to 824 Breaks. Thank you for joining tonight. Appreciate it. We have basketball break 129 tonight. Mix of some 20, 21, 22 products. We have 4 packs, 3 blasters, and 1 mega box tonight. Let's go ahead and go over these here. We have a NBA Hoops value pack, 30 cards in here. Looking for some Teal Explosion. We have a Donruss value pack, 30 cards in here. Looking for some hollow green and yellow parallels. We have a Contenders value pack, 22 cards in here. And 2021 Chronicles draft picks value pack, 15 cards in here. Looking for playbook base and bronze parallels. 3 blasters, Chronicles draft picks, 20 cards in here. Looking for blaster exclusive rookies and star base and some pink parallels. Blaster of NBA hoops, 88 cards in here. Let's see if we can find an anniversary edition parallel or some slams. Contenders blaster, 40 cards in here. 1 hit on average, either an autograph or a mem card. Last box is a mega box of Donruss. 120 cards in here. Looking for some mega box exclusive hollow pink laser parallels. All right, let's go over our participants. All right, there's break 129. Sienna with the Hawks. Michael Celtics. Nolan Nets. Joseph Hornets. And Bulls. Benjamin Cavaliers. Chad Mavericks. Robert Nuggets. Darian with the Pistons. Michael Warriors. Ava Rockets. Mark with the Pacers. Dan with the Clippers. Robert Lakers. Mark Grizzlies. Robert Heat. Mark Bucks Wolves. Boyd Pelicans Knicks. Sienna Thunder. Mark Magic. Nolan Sixers. Robert Suns. Ava Blazers. Dominic Kings. Sienna with the Spurs. Nolan Raptors. Mark Jazz. And Robert with the Wizards. Let's adjust a little more and we'll start. All right, let's start with the Contenders tonight. 22 cards in here. Good luck, everybody. All right, starting the break off with Draymond Green, Chris Paul, Kemba Walker, Jaren Jackson Jr., Kevin Porter, Wendell Carter, Mike Conley, Devin Booker, Joel Embiid, Andrew Wiggins, Kevin Love, Nikola Vucevic, Clint Capella, Kyle Kuzma, Kristaps Porzingis, Alexei Pokachevsky, Jimmy Butler, Fred VanVleet. Here's a green parallel De'Aaron Fox for the Kings. Game night ticket insert of Devin Booker for the Suns. International ticket of Dirk Nowitzki for the Mavericks, and draft class 2021 insert of Keon Johnson. Going to the Clippers there. Let me just sleeve some of these up really quick. All right, next one, we'll go Chronicles draft picks. They're still in their college uniforms here, so rookies will go to their current teams they're on. If a player's not on a current team, we will randomize them. There are a few in this set. All right, we have Franz Wagner, rookie for the Magic. Jaden Springer going to the Sixers. Ayo Dosunmu for the Bulls. Keon Johnson going to the Blazers. Corey Kispert for the Wizards. Here's a select of Evan Mobley. That's for the Cavs. Chronicles of Cade Cunningham. That's bronze parallel as well. Going to the Pistons. Josh Christopher for the Rockets. Corey Kispert, Wizards. Scotty Barnes for the Raptors. Franz Wagner, Magic. Jaden Springer, Sixers. Cameron Thomas for the Nets. Another Evan Mobley, Luminance going to the Cavs. And a Jalen Green, rated rookie for the Rockets. Let me sleeve some of these up really quick. All right, there's a Mobley there going to Benjamin. I'll put up the top 4 rookies of the class. Barnes, Cunningham, and Jalen Green. All right. Next pack. Let's go with the Donruss next. 30 cards in here. Got the looking for some hollow green and yellow. Nice Mobley there for you, Ben. All right, here's a Nikola Jokic, Jaren Jackson Jr., Tyrese Halliburton, Joel Embiid, Tristan Thompson, Steph Curry, Andrew Wiggins, R.J. Barrett, Bogdan Bogdanovic, Kenyon Martin Jr., Draymond Green, Jordan Poole, Kevin Love, Jordan Clarkson, R.J. Hampton, Daniel Gafford, Eric Bledsoe, C.J. McCollum, Joe Ingles, De'Aaron Fox, Tim Hardaway Jr., Marcus Smart, OG Anunoby, rookie of Zaire Williams for the Grizzlies, Isaiah Livers, rookie for the Pistons, Trey Mann for the Thunder, Kai Jones, Hornets, green and yellow laser PJ Tucker, that's going to the Heat, franchise features of Donovan Mitchell for the Jazz, and the rookie green and yellow of Trey Mann for the Thunder. That's going to Sienna. Rookie hollow laser there. Let me sleeve some of these up really quick, please. Zaire Williams, Memphis, going to Mark. All right, last of our packs. Let's say hoops. 30 cards in here. Let's see if we can find some teal explosion. Bobby Portis, Andre Drummond, Steph Curry, Dorian Finney-Smith, Kenrick Williams, Kenyon Martin Jr., Anthony Davis, Markelle Fultz, Jeremy Grant, DeAndre Jordan, Derek White, Jimmy Butler, Gordon Hayward, Jaren Jackson Jr., Jeff Green, Malcolm Brogdon, Patrick Williams, Derrick Rose, Eric Bledsoe, Rui Hachimura, lights camera action of Colin Sexton for the Cavaliers, Skyview insert of Trae Young for the Hawks. Purple parallel of Tyler Hero for the Heat. Rookie Till Explosion Kai Jones, that's for the Hornets. Nice hit there. The rookie of Luka Garza for the Pistons. Jeremiah Robinson Earl going to the Thunder. Kessler Edwards for the Nets. David Johnson for the Raptors. Jonathan Kuminga rookie for the Warriors. And Jaden Springer for the Sixers. Nice Kuminga rookie there going to Michael. Teal Explosion, Kai Jones, Hornets. That's for Joseph tonight. All right, on to our blasters. Let's do it the Chronicles first. 20 cards in here. Again, rookies will go to the current teams they're on. If they're not on the current team, we will randomize them. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 cards per pack. 20 cards. Good luck. Jaden Springer, Sixers. Josh Christopher for the Rockets. Here's a pink Ayo Dosunmu, rookie for the Bulls. Another Dosunmu XR for the Bulls. And a Jalen Green, rookies and stars for the Rockets. Couple of those Sumus there for Joseph and the Bulls. Next pack. Jared Butler, rookie for the Jazz. Kai Jones for the Hornets. A mosaic of Josh Christopher for the Rockets. A recon Franz Wagner for the Magic. Pink, that's a pink parallel. Kai Jones, rookie. Pink Wagner. That's going to Mark tonight. Next pack. Greg Brown, rookie for the Blazers. Cade Cunningham. Keon Johnson, pink. That's going to Portland. Jaden Springer. And Evan Mobley, rookies and stars. There's Mobley there. Cade Cunningham. Going to Darian. All right, last pack of Chronicles draft picks. Jalen Suggs, rookie for the Magic. Pink, Corey Kispert for the Wizards. A select of Matthew Hurt. That's going to get randomized. He's currently not on the team. And Corey Kispert Essentials. That's for the Wizards. And a Davion Mitchell, rookies and stars for the Kings. All right, we'll randomize Matthew Hurt in the end there. We got random.org list randomizer. All right, next we will go with hoops. Got 88 cards in here. Let's see if we can find an anniversary edition parallel or some slam inserts. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 packs. 8 cards per pack. That's 88 cards. Good luck, everyone. Kendrick Nunn, Tristan Thompson, Jason Tatum, Keldon Johnson, CJ McCollum, Trae Young. Lights, camera, action of Devin Booker for the Suns. Rookie of Chris Duarte. That's for the Pacers. D-book insert. That's for Robert. Ricky Rubio, Dame Lillard, Jonas Valanciunas, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Paul Millsap, Miles Turner, Nikola Vucevic, Skyview. That is a hollow. LaMelo Ball does have a bad... might be able to push that in for you there. And a Zaire Williams rookie. That's for Joseph. Hello, LaMelo. Give me 1 second here. Let me approve somebody real quick. All right, sorry about that. Continue. LaMelo Ball, Isaiah Stewart, Chris Boucher, R.J. Barrett, Paul George, Davis Bertans. Arriving now, Franz Wagner. That's for the Magic. And the rookie of Cameron Thomas for the Nets. That's Wagner there for Mark. R.J. Hampton, Russell Westbrook, Harrison Barnes, Anthony Edwards, Bam Adebayo, Norman Powell. Here's a rookie blue of David Johnson for the Raptors. And a Quentin Grimes rookie for the Knicks. Dennis Schroeder, C.D. Osman, Jayshawn Tate, Kyle Anderson, Monte Morris, Karis LeVert, blue parallel of Kevin Huerter for the Hawks, rookie Greg Brown III for the Blazers. Next pack. Kyra Lewis Jr., Alexei Pokachevsky, Chris Paul, Kobe White, Mitchell Robinson, Nicholas Batum, blue of Terrence Ross for the Magic, Cade Cunningham base for the Pistons. Let's go to Darian. Josh Jackson, Tobias Harris, Cole Anthony, Thomas Bryant, Mike Conley, Derek White. Purple rookie of Jason Preston for the Clippers. Rookie Ayo Dosunmu for the Bulls. Clippers purple there. It's going to Dan. Carmelo Anthony, De'Aaron Fox, Enes Kanter, Jimmy Butler, Gordon Hayward, Jaren Jackson Jr., class of 2021 of Keon Johnson, and a Day'Ron Sharpe rookie for the Brooklyn Nets. Kevin Love, Eric Gordon, Zion Williamson, Jeff Green, Malcolm Brogdon, Patrick Williams, slam insert of Derrick Rose for the Bulls. Franz Wagner rookie, that's for the Magic. Slam insert there, that's going to Joseph. Next pack. Darius Baisley, Devin Booker, Brooke Lopez, Derrick Rose, Eric Bledsoe, Rui Hachimura, Sky View of Kyrie Irving for the Nets, Jalen Suggs rookie. Wagner and Suggs there. That's going to go to Mark. Last pack of hoops. Ben Simmons, Terrence Ross, Reggie Bullock, Buddy Hield, Joe Ingles, DeJounte Murray, Onyeka Okongwu, Pure Players insert of Steph Curry. Rookie Kai Jones for the Hornets. Steph Curry insert. Let's go on to Michael. All right, last of our blasters. Contenders, 40 cards in here. Looking for one hit, either an autograph or a mem on average. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 cards per pack, 40 cards. Good luck. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Bam Adebayo, Keldon Johnson, Steph Curry, Nikola Jokic, Terry Rozier, Chris Middleton, Draft Class 2021, Davion Mitchell. That's for the Kings. Kings rookie for Dominic. Draymond Green, Chris Paul, Kemba Walker, Jaren Jackson, Kevin Porter, Wendell Carter, Mike Conley, international ticket of Giannis. Giannis insert for Mark. Devin Booker, Joel Embiid, Devontae Graham, Carmelo Anthony, CJ McCollum, Isaac Okoro. That's our hit there. Rookie ticket swatch of Jalen Johnson for the Hawks. Game night ticket insert of Joel Embiid for the Sixers. Embiid insert for Nolan. Let's go to Sienna. Dennis Schroeder, Miles Turner, Buddy Hield, Steven Adams, Andrew Wiggins, Nikola Jokic, Kevin Love, red parallel of Tim Hardaway Jr. for the Mavericks, Draft Class 2021, Jalen Suggs for the Magic. All right, last pack of Contenders. Nikola Vucevic, Clint Capella, Kyle Kuzma, Kristaps Porzingis, Alexei Pokachevsky, Jimmy Butler Fred VanVleet. Bronze parallel Colin Sexton for the Cavaliers. International ticket of Drazen Petrovic for the Nets. All right, last box. Mega box of Donruss. 120 cards. Looking for some Mega box exclusive Holo Pink lasers. There's our packs. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 20 packs. 6 cards per pack. 120 cards. Good luck. RJ Barrett, Bogdan Bogdanovic, Onyeka Kongwu, Kelly Oubre, Ivica Zubac, pink laser of Desmond Bane for the Grizzlies. Go on the mark. Kenyon Martin Jr., Draymond Green, Luguentz-Dort, Danny Green, rookie Scotty Barnes, that's for the Raptors, and the rookies of Jalen Green for the Rockets. Jalen Green there. Scotty Barnes base, that's for Nolan. Jordan Poole, Boban Marjanovic, Tobias Harris, Bojan Bogdanovic, Mike Conley, pink laser of Norman Powell for the Blazers. Andre Drummond, Ricky Rubio, Will Barton, Jaylen Brown, rookie of Joshua Primo for the Spurs, complete players insert of Kevin Durant for the Nets. Next pack. Domantas Sabonis, Kemba Walker, Kelly Olynyk, Kyrie Irving, Kawhi Leonard. That's a pink laser of Keon Johnson. That's for the Clippers there. Let's go into Dan. Lonnie Walker IV, D'Angelo Russell, Steven Adams, Obi Toppin, Aaron Wiggins, rookie for the Thunder. Complete player, Zion Williamson. That's a pink laser there. Let's go in the Boyd. Enes Kanter, Dame Lillard, Anthony Edwards, Buddy Hield, Zion Williamson, Magicians, LeBron James. LeBron going to Robert. Jeremy Grant, LeBron James, Cameron Payne, John Collins, Herbert Jones, rookie for the Pelicans. Pink laser, Peyton Pritchard for the Celtics. Christian Wood, Alec Burks, Terrence Ross, Jamal Murray, Chris Paul. Franchise features insert of Karl Anthony Towns for the Wolves. Dylan Brooks, Kevin Durant, Chris Boucher, Donovan Mitchell, rookie Scotty Lewis for the Hornets. That's a pink laser of Cole Anthony for the Magic. Devin Vassell, Russell Westbrook, Darius Garland, Talen Horton-Tucker, Karis LeVert. Pink laser rookie of Sharif Cooper for the Hawks. That's for Sienna. Brandon Ingram, PJ Tucker, Rudy Gobert, Dorian Finney-Smith, rookie of Jaden Springer for the Sixers, and another Zion pink. Nice. That's a franchise features. Next pack. Desmond Bane, Peyton Pritchard, Isaac Okoro, Bam Adebayo, Joe Harris. Complete players insert of Kawhi Leonard for the Clippers. Jason Tatum, Kendrick Nunn, Mikal Bridges, Julius Randle, rookie Chris Duarte for the Pacers, and the pink of PJ Tucker for the Heat. Another laser for PJ. PJ Washington, Jay Crowder, Maxi Kleba, Drew Holiday, Kyle Kuzma. Franchise features insert of Jimmy Butler. Jimmy Buckets for Robert. Trae Young, Gary Trent, Colin Sexton, Montrezl Harrell, rookie Ayo Dosunmu for the Bulls. Pink laser Wendell Carter for the Magic. Next pack. Cam Johnson, Nikola Jokic, Terry Rozier, Sadiq Bey, Malachi Flynn, Great Expectations, Davion Mitchell for the Kings. Jaren Jackson Jr., Tyrese Halliburton, LaMelo Ball, Marvin Bagley, Jalen Johnson, rookie for the Hawks. Power in the paint of Bam Adebayo for the Heat. All right, last two packs of our break. I do have one card to randomize, and then I'll do a recap for you guys. Joel Embiid, Tristan Thompson, Kevin Porter, Laurie Markkinen, Duncan Robinson, pink, Great Expectations of Zaire Williams. That's a nice hit there for the Grizzlies. Let's go on the mark. All right, last pack of break. Again, I do have one card of randomize, and I'll do a recap. Most of your rookies will get sleeved up, bigger hits, top loaded. And they should be out by tomorrow, hopefully. Team bags and bubble mailers. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Last pack, good luck. Steph Curry, Andrew Wiggins, Kobe White, Yusuf Nurkic, rookie of Isaiah Jackson for the Pacers, and another insert here. That's going to be Colin Sexton, Cavs. All right, let me make some space here and we'll do a recap. Let's randomize that Matthew Hurt really quick. Just random.org. Just give me a second, please. Let me just pull up our team names. All right, random.org, list randomizer. Here's our team names there. All right, I will randomize it 8 times for 824 breaks. That's going to be for that there. All right, let's randomize. That's the first one. There's the 30 teams there. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more, 8. Going to the Chicago Bulls. 8 times randomized. Just gonna go to Joseph. All right, let's do that recap for you guys. Go over some parallels and inserts really quick. Here's our pink lasers of Carter, PJ Tucker, Cole Anthony, Peyton Pritchard, Norman Powell, Desmond Bain. Parallel Colin Sexton, Tim Hardaway Jr., Tyler Hero, Tucker, and De'Aaron Fox. Here's some inserts. Let's say Colin Sexton, Bam Adebayo, Jimmy Butler, Kawhi Leonard, Zion Williamson pink, Karl Anthony Towns, LeBron James, another pink of Zion, complete players, Kevin Durant, Drazen Petrovic, Joel Embiid, Giannis, Steph Curry, Kyrie Irving, Devin Booker, Colin Sexton, Trae Young, Donovan Mitchell, Devin Booker, and Dirk Nowitzki. Some of our rookies here. That's Isaiah Jackson, Jalen Johnson, Dosumu, Duarte, Springer, Lewis, Herbert Jones, Wiggins, Joshua Primo, Davion Mitchell, Jalen Green, Jalen Suggs, Davion Mitchell. Hoops rookies, Kai Jones, Jalen Suggs, Wagner, Sharp, Purple, Jason Preston, Ayo Dosumu, Jonathan Kuminga, Brown, David Johnson, Blue, Quentin Grimes, Cameron Thomas, Zaire Williams, Chris Duarte. Class of 2021, Johnson, Wagner, Recon of Wagner, Suggs, Kispert, Mitchell, Cunningham, Mobley, Josh Christopher, Scotty Barnes tribute, Dosumu ×2, Jalen Green, Cade Cunningham. Here's some more hoops. Kessler Edwards, Jalen Green, Springer, Zaire Williams, Kai Jones, Evan Mobley, and a Keon Johnson. Pink Laser of Great Expectations, Zaire Williams, Grizzlies. Pink Laser Rookie, Sharif Cooper, Hawks. Teal Explosion, Kai Jones, Hornets. Cade Cunningham Base. Green and Yellow Laser, Treyman for the Thunder. Evan Mobley Select. Skyview Hollow LaMelo Ball does have a little dent right there. Scotty Barnes Base. Pink Laser Keon Johnson. Got a slam insert of Derrick Rose for the Bulls, and the rookie ticket swatch of Jalen Johnson going to the Hawks. All right, that concludes our break for tonight. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Till next time. Have a good night.